Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Hey guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I've come to Bradford Bazaar. So let's take a look inside. Plenty of clothing here for the ladies. Different kind of varieties. So this side as well. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's having a fantastic weekend. Got plenty of sales on, guys. Plenty of sales. Come down here. Got £10 suits, £15. Got 50% off on this side. Got sales. Kids clothing there. You got bangles, rings, different kind of jewelleries. Sales. More jewelleries. Plenty of clothing, guys. Got your headscarves. Different kind of scarves. Got some here as well. You got suitcases here. You got menswear here. These are all like menswears. Got different kind of colours here. Different kind of shoes as well. Different kind of wedding shoes here. Food court there. You've got the sweet corn section here. Different kind of sweet corn flavours you can get. Got some sales. Then guys, let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Please give it a like, comment and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one. Have a great day.